Instant migraine relief, 5 essential tips. Migraines can bring your day to a screeching halt, but there are ways to fight back and find relief quickly. Firstly, dimming the lights can make a big difference. Brightness is a common trigger, so embracing the dark can ease your pain. Next, embrace the power of caffeine in moderation. A cup of coffee might just be the ally you need to combat migraine symptoms. Hydration is key. Often, dehydration is a hidden culprit behind migraines. Drinking water can help alleviate the pain faster than you think. Try a cold compress. Applying it to your neck or forehead can reduce inflammation, numb the pain, and promote blood flow. Finally, practice relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, meditation, or gentle yoga can help reduce stress, which is often linked to migraines. By incorporating these tips, not only can you find instant relief, but you may also reduce the frequency of your migraines.